How do I get instant refund on PayPal? Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in order to request a refund for a payment you've made, you need to contact the seller directly. Here's how you can find the seller's contact information. You need to go to your activity page and find and select the payment that you're asking about, and on the payment details section or the page, you will find the seller's contact information. If the seller sends you a refund, the money will be returned to the original payment method you used, your bank account, credit card, or any PayPal account. And if you don't get a refund from the seller, you can open a dispute in the resolution center of PayPal. Be sure to do this within the allowed time frame. And when you open a dispute, you can send messages to the seller through PayPal to try and work things out. And if you still can't resolve the issue, you have 20 days to escalate the dispute to a claim. And if you do it, the PayPal will investigate the situation and make a decision. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.